exciting new feature in MadCap Flare 2019 R2 is responsive content personalization using conditions. Now, Flare has always offered output that is responsive to the device being used, and this includes the skin that wraps around your content and the layout of the information on the page. This new release of Flare takes it a step further by now also making it easy to dynamically change content itself, including text and multimedia, based on the device or user type. This industry-first responsive content personalization means the most appropriate and personalized content is displayed to your end users, all from a single target, without having to understand code or complex CSS. So let's have a look at how this works with output. So what we're looking at is a sample site. It's a responsive HTML5 site out of MadCap Flare. And notice that on these tiles here, we've got some instructions for desktop users. I'm looking at this on my desktop in a standard web browser. So the text, the images, and the instructions are appropriate to me. But watch what happens if I were to shrink the screen size down. As we move to more of a tablet size view, notice that the text changed, the image changed, as did the instructions. And if we even shrink it down further, we can see the word mobile changes. We have a new image that's appropriate for mobile users and instructions to tap rather than click or swipe. Here's an additional example. Here we've got an HTML5 site out of Flare, and we're looking at a very detailed image that's a bit easier to read on a standard web browser. But if we were accessing this on a phone or a tablet, the text is quite small. It may be a bit inappropriate for us to see. So if we were to shrink this down, we can see that the image and the text changes, which is more appropriate for a reader on a smaller screen size. So we hope you enjoy this new feature in MadCap Flare 2019 R2.